Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the driver Lexmark C4 serial for the type of driver download and this one I'm search the official website for you. I might download for the official website. The official website not otherwise and easy to download for the official website. And this is for official website. Click here, press Y, website loading. And this here for the printer. You scroll down, look in the title driver and sport. Click here for the title and click here for the title driver and download and paste your model print. See for model print and click here find driver and download. See for your driver download and this here for you tag your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for so paste your operating, paste your model print. And if you need change the operating system, you click here. Now click here and this here for operating system for the Linux, Mac and Windows and change the operating system for the Linux and this here for the Linux version. You click here. This here for the not update for the Linux version and not update for the Linux version. This here all your version. I'm sure for Mac. This here for the Mac version. This here for not update for the Mac version. New version for Mac, Mac 12, Mac 11. This here for not update for the Mac. And this video I need to download driver for Windows. I'm sure for Windows and this here for the operating system and this here for the support your the new the version for Windows and this here for the Windows 11 driver and this here for Windows 10, 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server support. In this video I need to download driver for Windows 11. Select here Windows 11 and you scroll down. Looking here, this here for a new title for the Windows, for the support for the Windows. This here for language English support. And this video and recommendation for you. You download for the package and this here for universal print driver installation package. Click here and you click here for the start download. See for start download. If you did install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC type the USB cable printer and please what finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here or you click here, you click open, double click file, you click next and you click finish. Here for the tag automatic USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need to know what below description of video, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye. Next time.